Hi, my name is Bryce Fountain. I develop PersonalTrainYourself.com to push more people to meet their fitness goals, to educate them on ways to improve their overall health, and to inspire creativity in their everyday fitness routine. Our customized workout programs will enhance your physique, sexual appeal, performance, energy, and your creativity. Refer to PersonalTrainYourself.com as your complete online solution for your fitness inquiries. By joining my site, you will learn how to train yourself like a professional without the presence of a trainer. Thus, you will become a balanced, healthier you. Join my site to unlock your maximum potential. Learn how to personal train yourself with our simple-to-do workout programs and 6,000 exercises to choose from. I'm the founder of PersonalTrainYourself.com, and I have a master's degree in kinesiology and 10 years of personal training under my belt. I developed PersonalTrainYourself.com to push more people to meet their fitness goals, to educate them on ways to improve their overall health, and inspire creativity in their everyday fitness routine. My workout programs consist of correctional training, corrective movement patterns, basic resistance training, balance and stability, core instability, exercise-specific, functional training, suspension training, power training, speed and agility training, and sport-specific training. Your online personal training solution. Changing lifestyles one download at a time, making fitness simple.